Today I'll be unboxing the Samsung UHD 7 Series 43-inch 4K TV. I purchased this TV from Best Buy for $499.99, and at the time the original price was $599.99, and this is in Canadian dollars. So those of you in the US will definitely be able to get it a lot cheaper. Before this purchase, I actually did not have a TV. I was using a projector for a couple of months, but I decided to finally get one and ordered this online from Best Buy because all of the stores near me did not have them in stock. But to my surprise, this TV was delivered in only 3 days. I was able to pull out the TV myself. It's definitely not heavy and totally doable with one person. Now, inside the box comes the two legs, which I will be using to place my TV on my console because I am not mounting it. Then we have the Samsung remote control, power source cable, manual guide, and the batteries for the remote control. Before you take the TV out the box, definitely try and prep an area where you're going to lay the TV flat facing down and use a bed sheet to cover your surface. The legs are going to be labeled and have an L for the left side and a R for the right side. And all you have to do is push it in the openings until you hear a bit of a snap that locks the legs in. Do the same for the other leg and then simply plug in the power cord in the input in the back of the TV and plug the cord in your power source. The legs actually support the TV very well and it feels super secure. Here I'm banging on the console and the TV doesn't even shake. Also, I tried tugging on the legs and the TV surprisingly stays sturdy. If you have kids or even pets, I would definitely mount this though, and there are 4 screw holes at the back to do so. Beyond the good reviews I saw online, another reason why I chose this Samsung 7 Series TV is because of the way it looks. I wanted something with a very thin bezel that looked modern, and because I'm not mounting it, I wanted it to look fairly slim. And you can see from the side even, the TV doesn't look bulky at all, and I love this because you get to see more of the picture and less of the TV when looking at it straight on. There is a USB port at the back if you want to plug in media devices like a Fire TV stick or Roku stick or even external speakers. And there are also 2 HDMI inputs as well. I believe that the internal speakers are great as it is. The volume at its highest point sounds very loud. And I haven't noticed any quality issues. So there is definitely no need for an external sound system, especially if you're in a small to medium space. Now, once you turn on the TV, you're going to be prompted to sign in your Samsung account. I thought I can get away with not creating an account, but you'll need to create one in order to install apps that are not already preloaded. And of course, if you want to watch something off your phone, you can screen mirror it and play it directly on your TV, and that's super easy to do. For iPhones and connecting using AirPlay, a 4-digit code will show up on the TV that you just need to type on your phone, and then you can screen mirror anything you want. Now let's move on to picture quality, which to me, I thought looks beautiful. The panel is 60 Hz with 120 Hz motion, which is good if you're watching a lot of sports or fast action picture. This TV is also equipped with features that help display the picture's true colors, such as HDR or high dynamic range, which helps achieve brighter highlights with more contrast, and also enhances the color shades even in dark scenes. But if you feel like it's still not good enough, you can go to the settings section and select a different picture mode that you prefer. And also in settings, you can adjust things like brightness, contrast, color tone, and a lot more other options. I've actually had this TV now for 3 months, and I don't even think about the picture at all because it's been so clear and delivers such amazing colors, and everything just appears really great to me that I really have no complaints. The one con that I did come across though is the legs when you are moving from app to app. Sometimes I feel like the TV is trying to catch up with what you're trying to tell it to do, and it's definitely not the most responsive. The delays are not a complete deal breaker or anything, but it's just something I notice, and if you get this TV or if you have this TV, you'll probably notice that as well. And of course, there are going to be small cons with a TV at this price point, but overall, I'm really happy with this TV, and I believe it's a solid purchase.